this is how you create patchwork fabric. So first you're going to want to go and cut yourself a whole heap of squares of different kinds of fabric all around. Then you pick your pieces of fabric that you would like to be side by side and you place them good sides facing in together. So I'm going to start with this leaf pattern, and then I'm going to place this pink piece on top with the good sides both facing on the inside. A couple of pegs on here, and now I'm going to sew down this edge here, back stitching at the start and end of my sewing. So I start here, I'm going to sew and back stitch, and then all the way to the end. And remove my fabric, and I've sewn down here. I'm going to open this up, and here are my two pieces attached. Now with this open and the good side facing to the inside again, I'm going to take another piece of fabric and place it good side down again along this edge. So I've got all my good sides here, and again I'm just going to sew along the top here. You might like to put some pegs if you need to as well. Now I have another piece attached. I open it up again and I repeat the process again. How many times you do this will depend on how big you want your patchwork to be. So I have 4 pieces here now all connected together, and I'm going to make another 4 and show you how to connect all of that together. Now I have 2 pieces, 2 patchwork strips sewn like this. 1, 2. I want to attach these together. So what I'm going to do is again place them good sides facing in, and I'm going to sew all the way along this long edge here. Remember, good side facing in. Just line them up as neat as you can. Give them a peg, and I'm going to sew down this long edge. Now I've sewn all the way down, and you see I have a big square of patchwork. You can use this for anything, any of our sewing projects. Just be careful when you're cutting, thinking about where the seams are. But any of our projects can now be created with your nice piece of patchwork.